to a suspect vehicle.
I got no big shit. They're about 10-15.
844, you do advise 10-15.
Yeah.
Can anybody copy him? C-44, they're starting battle right now. Vehicle B5.
Go ahead, Nicole.
B5, Independence County, about 10-15 on their channel.
I thought that's what I heard 44 say.
10-4. C-44 tonight, you have too much background.
Young Adam, Robert George Adam. Young Adam, Robert George Adam. DMC Yukon.
10-4.
26, do you know if there's any injuries on the head-on collision?
I do not.